Hello, a very good morning to everyone. Today we will start here next exercise of the chapter number 5. Exercise 5.3. In exercise 5.3 here, it is based on only one formula. Okay, it is very simple formula like nth, how to find nth term. Now here we will learn here how to find the sum of APs. APs is given, find the sum of the all terms. Okay, so here suppose it is an AP is given 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and so on. Okay, it is an AP. So if I ask you find the sum of two terms, find the sum of the first two term. So S2, how to find? 2 plus 4 equal to 6. So what is the sum of two terms? To S mean their sum. If I write AN mean nth term. Okay. So same as it is. So examiner asks to find the sum of two terms. So how can we find the sum of two terms? First two terms. So we can add 2 plus 4 plus 6. It is 6. Next is sum of the first 5 term. So 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10. So it is 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 8, 20. 20 plus 10, 30. But dear, if we will add like this one, if we add separately each, everyone 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 equal to 30. Suppose if examiner asks you sum of 20 terms, sum of 20 terms, 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 plus 14 plus 16, it is become very lengthy. Maybe examiner asks you find the sum of the first 30 terms. If it is a small number is given, then we can add easily. But if it is terms are more, then what we will do? It is very difficult. So for it, we have a one formula. Which it is formula? The sum of whose sum? First n terms. N mean dear, maybe 2 terms, maybe 3 terms, 4 terms, 100 terms of an AP is. How to find? S equal to n upon 2 big, we will use bracket always, big bracket, n divided by 2, we use bracket 2 into a mean first term of an AP, everyone know, plus small bracket n minus 1 into d mean common difference. So by this formula we can solve the sum of the APs very easily. Look at, suppose everyone knows sum of the first 5 term how much? It 30. You can verify also sum of whose? How many terms? So find the sum of the first 5 term. That means n is 5. 5 upon 2. 2 into a. First term is 2. 2 into 2. 2 into 2 plus n 5 minus 1 d. How much? What is common difference of this one? 2. So it is 5 upon 2 dear. Always we will use big bracket. This one 2 into 2, 4 plus 5 into 1, 4. 4 into 2, 8. It is 5 into 2 multiply 4 into 8, 12. 2 into 6. So 6 into 5, 30. It is also 30. But it is a very long process. Understand here? But if you know this formula, what is? S equal to sum is equal to n upon 2. N upon 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Understand here? Otherwise, you can write here if you want to write. What is a? What is n? N mean number of terms. Number of terms. A equal to first term of an AP. What is? A is first term and N, and what is remain? D. D is common difference. Okay, same as it is in nth term formula, A plus N minus 1 into D. We need A, N, D and An. Same as it is here. Here also 4 variable S, N, A, D. So maybe N given, A given, D given, and he has find the sum. Maybe sometime S given, sum is already given, then find number of terms, find N. A is also given, D is also given. So out of these 4, S, N, A, D, out of these 4, 3 is given every time, dear. We have to find fourth one. Understand, dear? Same as it is like that formula. Understand, dear? Sometime, dear, we can use one more formula. This formula we can convert like this one also, or what is S? S equal to N upon 2 2A. 2, it is what is 2A? 2A can be write 2A, can we write A plus A? Yes, it is 2A or not? 2A can be write A plus N minus 1 into D. And next is S equal to N upon 2. It is A. And now tell me, A N equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Everyone know A plus N minus 1 into D always equal to An. Same as it is A plus An. And what is An? An mean, dear, always, suppose I ask you, find the number of terms 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. It is an AP. Find how many number of terms. So it means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms. But how do we find? By using this formula. It means A1 is how much? A1 is here An. An is here 12. An is 12. If you want to find in this AP how many terms, if last term dot 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 like this one and last term is dot dot is 12. Find the number of terms. So we use this formula. A is 2. N we want to find. D common difference, and An is 12. What is last term is given? 12. So An is always last term of this AP. Always An mean what is we are using last term. So you will write always this formula S equal to N upon 2 equal to A plus L. And always remember this formula. One more. If in any AP it is L given, L you can write what is L. I am writing here. Look at. If any time either you can use this formula or you can use this formula. But it is very important. By this formula we can solve all the questions. But only this formula sometime we will use whenever L is given. L mean L equal to last term of an AP. What is last term? Look at example. Suppose 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16 up to here given. To find the sum of the all these terms, so we will everyone know what is last term. It is 16. So we can use this formula also. But we should know what is N. First we will find how many N. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Understand? So remember these two formula. L mean last term of an AP. Otherwise we can use this formula. Understand, dear? Now note down this formula. Now we start our exercise. Note down it. Now, dear, first question. Find the sum of APs. Second part, first, second, third and fourth part all are same. Minus 37, minus 33, minus 29 dot dot so on, and 12 terms. We have to find, dear, like this one, how many terms? we have to find what is the sum of minus 33, minus 37, minus 29, minus 25, minus 21, minus 17, 13, minus 9, minus 7, minus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Up to 12 terms. We have to using of 12 terms. Okay. So what is 12 terms? It is 2. Always whenever like this one type of the question is given here, find the sum of this APs to 12 terms. It means n is how much? 12. So always we need A. So A equal to how much? A is first term minus 37. Now D. A2 minus A1. How much A2? Minus 33 dear. Minus. And A1 is minus 37. It is become minus 33 plus 37. How much? It is plus 4. It is very important D, because some of the students sometimes write it minus 4. Always whenever we use negative sign, use the bracket. Understand? Now D we know, and N. N how much? N is 12. Up to 12 terms. Now we have to find S. S equal to N upon 2. N is 12. 12 upon 2. Bracket. 2 multiply 2 into A. A is minus 37. Plus N is 12 minus 1 into D. D is 4D. Understand? S equal to 2 cancel 6 because it is divided. It is 6. Always first we will open bracket here. 6. 2 into minus 37 minus 74 plus 12 minus 1 11. 11 into 4. S equal to 6 minus 74 plus 11 into 4 44. S equal to 6 into minus 74 plus 44. How much? It is remain minus 30. Negative into positive. Negative. Negative minus 180. So what is sum? Sum is minus 180 of whose? Otherwise you can write sum of S12 you can write if you want to write S12. S12 mean dear sum of up to 12 terms. Sum of the first 12 terms. Whose? Always one word you have to remember, first 12 terms. Okay, S12 equal to minus 180. Understand here? Same as it is, using of this formula you can find all other parts also. Now some students are asked, sir, why we did not use here this formula? N upon 2 A plus L. A plus L. Because we know here N is 12 up to 12 terms. A also we know. But here L mean last term. Last term mean dear what is the 12th term? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So first we should know what is L, last term. So what? But here only how much term is given? 3 terms. But we have to find up to 12 terms. That's why we can't use this formula. Understand here? So this formula is used only in the such case if I write 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. Then I ask you find the sum of these terms, all terms. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So N is 6, A is 2 and L is 12. Last term. Understand here? Understand or not? Last term mean we have to find here up to 12. So we should know what is 12th term. And but if it is not given 12, find the sum of these 3. So it is mean L is minus 29. Understand? But here we have to find up to 12 terms. Note down it here. Now we will start our next question. Now dear, look at, we have to find question number 2. Find the sum given below. We have to find of this APs 7 plus 10 upon 1, 10 and 1 upon 2 plus 14 plus this. And now some students are asking, sir, why it is given 7 plus and this one? It is meaning we have to find the sum of these AP. It means 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 dot 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 up to 20. We have to find the sum of these APs. So here we have to find the APs whose first term 7 plus 10 upon 1 upon 2 plus 14 and dot dot last term it is become 84. It is like this one. First is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. So last term is given 20. So here which one formula we will use? We know that Sn equal to n upon 2 divide n upon 2 bracket. And here already given we have to find sum up to 84. So 1, 2, we don't know how many terms. Up to 84. So A plus L. Last term L is 84 is given. But dear, if you want to find sum, we need n. How many terms up to 84? 1, 2, 3. In the middle we don't know, but last is 84. So first we will find here how many number of terms. A, we will find n value. So n value, how can we find it? Now we will use in this exercise formula of 5.2 exercise also. Understand? So we will write, we know an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Nth term formula. Everyone know an mean L. L is the last term. What is 84? An is 84. It is very simple dear. Same as it is. If I write here, it is an AP 2, 4, 6, dot dot and 12. How many terms? So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. How many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But middle term is not given. So how to find? But its last term is given. What is 12? So how to find? It is 84. A is 7 plus n. We want to find into D. 7 upon 2. So D you can find A2 minus A1. A2 10 into 2 20. 20 plus 1 21 upon 2 minus 7. 7 into 2 14. 20 minus 14 7 upon 2. So you can write 84 equal to 7 plus. Now otherwise you can remove also dear. 7 is positive, another side negative. 84 minus 7 equal to n, multiply it. N into 7n upon 2 minus 7 upon 2 dear. Now dear, look at 84 minus 7 77 equal to 7n minus 2, 7n divided by 2 minus 7 upon 2. We want to find n value, therefore we should remove all. It is negative, another side positive. 7 upon 2, 7n divided by 2. Taking LCM, 2 is LCM. So how can we multiply it? It is meaning dear 77 and 7 upon 2. Always whenever I write 2 plus 4 upon 5, it means 2 and 4 upon 5. So 5 to the 10. 10 plus 4 14. Same as it is. 2 into 74 154 plus 167 divided by 2. It is 7 and divided by 2. We want to find value of n. So we will do cross multiply. 2 multiply 161. It is and 7 into 2. 2 cancel 2. It is 7 2 the 3. So n is how much? So n is how many total terms in this APs? 23. But we have to find sum. You can use any formula. First is Sn. First we are using this one. N is 23 divided by 2. A mean first term is 7 plus L. L is always last term is 84. Understand here? So Sn equal to 23 divided by 2 into 91. Understand? So it is become dear. I am writing here. There is space problem. Sn equal to 23 into 1. Tables very important. 23 into 3, 23. 23 into 9. How much? 207 into plus 2. 209 divided by 2. It is your answer. Otherwise, you can find sum by this formula also. Sn equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. You can use this formula also or this one, any one, if L is given. So Sn equal to n. How many n? But if we will use this formula, then also we will find n value. N is very important. 23 upon 2. 2 into a. 2 into first term. 2 into a. 2 into 7. 2 into 7 plus 23 minus 1 into d. 7 upon 2. It is. So Sn dear 23 upon 2. 2 into 7 14 plus 22 into 7 upon 2. It is here multiply 22 into 7. So 2 cancel 11. So it is become Sn equal to 23 multiply. It is multiply 11. Sorry, 23 bracket 14 plus 77 divided by 2. So Sn equal to 23 into 91 divided by 2. Same as it is 23 multiply 91 divided by 2. Same as it is. So in the both of the formula, answer will become same. Understand? So you can use any formula. Always remember dear, whenever we want to find how many number of terms, whenever we want to find n, we will use this formula. Understand? If s is given, s value is already given, maybe in the question is given Sn 2093 divided by 2, we will put here, then we can find also n formula. Understand? So we will using only formulas here. Only note down it. Rest of 2 more parts you will do yourself. Same as it is. Second and third part you can do yourself. In second part, what is given? 34 plus 32 plus 30 and plus dot 10. So it means L is 10 given. So first we will find by this formula how many n. Then we will use either this formula or this one. Any one formula. Understand it there? Note down it please. Now next question. Now dear, next question. Question number 3. In question number 3, in all parts we will use all these 3 formulas. Okay? Maybe sometimes Sn given, find n, and a and d is given. Sometimes a is given, n is given, find n. We have to find out of these one. Maybe sometime Sn find, sometime a, sometime d. So look at a is 5. It is AP like this one. A is 5. D is 3. So next is 5, 8, 11, 14 and dot and an mean last term of this AP is 50. It is given. Now we have to find n. So n, how to find? Either we will use this formula. If we will use this formula, if we want to find n dear, so we need Sn, but Sn is not given. Therefore we will use this formula. So we will write, we know that an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An value already given 50. We will use whatever given in the question. An given, an is 50. A is 5 plus n minus 1 into d is 3. 5 another side negative. 50 minus 5 45 equal to, it is open 3 into n, 3n minus 3. 3 another side positive. 45 plus 3 equal to 3n. 48 equal to 3n. N equal to 16. How much? N equal to 16. N equal to 16. Now what is remain? Sn. Sn. N is 16. So we have to find S how much? S 16. So same as it is, you will write, we know that this formula. Either we can use or this one. Look at what we will write. So we will write S16. So first we are using this formula. Okay. First we will write, we know that N by 2, 2a plus. So N is 16 upon 2. 2 into A. 2 into A. A mean 5 plus N 16 minus 1. D is 3. We use the values in this formula. Next is S16 equal to, it is 8. 2 into 5, 10. 16 minus 1, 15. 15 into 3, 45. So it is S16 is 8 multiply 55. So S16 dear, 8 into 5, 40. It is, what is answer? S16 is 440. Or dear, you can find this by this formula also. S16 equal to N 16 upon 2. Next, A is how much? 5 plus L. L is always AN. Last term is 50. It is 8. So S16 dear, 8 multiply 55. 8 into 55. 8 into 50. So in the by both of the formulas, answer will be same. So you can use any formula dear, but in every part of the third question we will use these two formula, first and third. Understand dear? So please note down it and try to more and more question of third question also. Okay, the rest of the question you will do yourself. Okay, note down it. Now look at third question, fourth part dear. A3 mean third term of AP is 5 and S10 is 1 to 5. It means now this value is given. S10 mean dear 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So S10 mean the sum of the 10 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So S10 is 125. And A3 mean, what is A3? First term, second term, third term is 6. Understand? And everyone know dear, A3 equal to 5. So now we have to find D and A10. D and A10 dear. So think how to solve it. Solve it. Think it. Now how to solve it? A3 is 5. So what we will always use A3. So I mean A3 in place of N is 3. So A plus 3 minus 1 2. So A3 is equal to always A plus 2D equal to, and A3 equal to 5. So you can write A plus 2D equal to 5. Equation number 1. Every time we will use whatever given in the question. Now you will write, we know. So you write, we know Sn equal to N upon 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. And what is we have given? S10 in place of N is 10. S10 equal to 10 upon 2, 2A plus 10 minus 1 into D. Because we know S10 value, how much? S10 is 125. 10 divided by 2. So that's why in place of N is 10. So everywhere in place of N we put 10. It is 5. It is 2A plus 9D. Understand? Either you can multiply by 5 inside the bracket or 5 multiply some number. Multiply another side, divide. So it is become 2A plus 9D equal to 125 divided by 5. It is become 25. So it is 2A plus 9D equal to 25. Equation number 2. Equation 1, equation 2. By using of equation 1 and 2, by using elimination method, as we already learned in third chapter, we can find value A and D value. Find value A and D. So D, if we know D, so it is your answer. But we have to find A10. A10 mean dear. A10 mean we have to find A plus 9D. And A plus 9D how to find? D we have already find, and A we can find by using equation 1 and 2. So solve it this question yourself. Try to more and more question of third part. Okay dear. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.